In this second part of our 5-part mini-series on our cloud journey, I'm going to talk about cloud native culture. Now, cloud native culture kind of sounds like a little bit touchy-feely, frou-frou, rah-rah kind of thing. But the fact of the matter is, it is the most important thing in our cloud journey. We could have the most successful technology and we will still fail if we don't get the culture part right. The reason for this is people underpin everything we do. We've known this forever, and it doesn't change in a cloud journey. Now, when we define our cloud native culture, we're going to need to define the organizational structure. We're going to need to define the roles that each of our people play and what their future roles will be. We're going to need to define clearly our nomenclature or lexicon or taxonomy for how we talk about technology, both in our technology groups and also with our business partners. We are certainly going to have to talk about how we are going to change the way we deliver technology to our business partners and how we more enable them to fulfill their own technology needs on their own via automation and via self-service capabilities. In these discussions, we are clearly going to touch on things around process efficiency, around automation and consolidation, around the retirement of legacy debt. We're also going to talk about change acceptance and the states of denial that people will have to go through as they go through a normal change adoption process. We're also going to talk about minimum viable X, product, feature, etc. The minimum viable thing that we can give to the business to allow them to make a decision quickly. That decision will allow them to either fail fast and move on to a new idea, or allow them to make slight course correction and continue to innovate and improve on the idea. In everything though, the idea behind the culture shift is changing away from doing technology for technology's sake to doing technology for a business outcome. Everybody, while they may not be doing the same work, should be focused on that objective of delivering technology to drive a business outcome as quickly as possible. At the end of the day, if we get cloud native culture right, we will be able to withstand the technology bumps that we will run into, and we will empower the business with the technology that we are hoping to deliver. Let's go GSD.